Cultural Adaptations is a cooperation project funded by the European Union's Creative Europe programme running from October 2018 to March 2021. Led by Creative Carbon Scotland, it takes place in 4 European cities with comparable climate challenges: Glasgow, Ghent, Gothenburg and Dublin. The project aims to develop a methodology for managers of local cultural SMEs to enable them to develop and implement climate change adaptation strategies, and to test how artists can provide new ways of thinking and fresh perspectives through embedded artist projects. I was recruited as the Irish embedded artist in September 2019. The parameters of the project were so open that I met with Emma Connors of Access Ballymun and Jerry Wardell of Codima through October to decide on an initial approach. We generated a number of potential lines of inquiry, but it was the conversations and experience of the first transnational meeting, which took place in Gothenburg in November, that led us to a clear idea of a shape for the project. We agreed that working with an intergenerational approach, building a network among artists interested in climate adaptation, and using walking as a tool were all ideas of interest. As the pandemic interrupted plans as they stood, we pivoted towards online networking. Working with Codima, we had identified other departments in DCC to connect with, such as the Climate Action Regional Office, and the idea of the Community Vaults project began to emerge. Community Vaults is a model that connects local authorities, artists and communities in a multifaceted approach to engage with climate and sustainability goals, placing an artist in the position of creative facilitator to uncover new ways of supporting local outcomes. Each pod in the vault is a conversation that can include local authorities, experts in the field, local leaders and community groups. These Zoom meetings are guided by themes proposed by the local authorities around their own climate action plans. The artist's role as creative facilitator generates conversation nurtured by their own methodologies and collaborative instincts. They build the web between these disparate parts, observing, connecting and reinforcing emerging threads. The project is in process right now, with Liam Bell and Anita McKeown hosting 2 pods, along with my own, which focuses on biodiversity. Many adaptations have had to occur in response to changing government restrictions, but we hope that these will be completed by December 2020. For the Irish project, the next steps will be a completion of our pods and consideration of the evidence collected. For the wider Cultural Adaptations project, there will be an international conference from the 2nd to the 5th of March to share the learning and online toolkits from all 4 cities.